everyone. We're going to be doing the screen replacement for the Dell Latitude 5480. We're going to start by actually taking the replacement screen out of the box. Okay, so we're going to remove the plastic covering. Now we're going to prepare the laptop for the screen installation. So I'll set this aside. Okay, so you go ahead and open your lid. Make sure your computer is powered off and that you do not press the power button during the installation. We're going to start by removing the bezel that's on the screen here. So I got some plastic pry tools that we're going to work at it with. I'm going to start here with the corner. Just working at it with my fingernail. These plastic pry tools. So the screen just snaps off, or the bezel of the screen does. I'm just going to work around popping this bezel off. There we go. We'll set that aside. So now you can see there is 4 screws here. And then after we remove those, there will be a cable that will disconnect from the screen. Let me grab a different screwdriver. Got a better one here. Okay. Okay, so keep track of these 4 screws. Okay, and then once you get those 4, I'm just going to peel this up very carefully, not to pull the wire out. Okay, and under this back in here, we'll pull this up. And we're going to save this actually to help hold the cable in place on our other screen. Okay, and there's another little piece of tape under here. And here we got a little thing too. Let's get out of that. We're going to set that aside. And then here we got a connector. This is a little bar. This bar flips up like that. And then you can pull the screen. Okay. So once we got that, we're going to set the old screen aside. Grab our new screen. plug in the cable. Okay, once that's in, go ahead and flip that bar back down. I'm going to apply that piece of blue adhesive and the clear and fabric tape. Okay, once we get that connected, I'm going to set this back up here, make sure it gets aligned with those plastic tabs. Okay, and we'll start putting in these screws. Grab the screw that fell. Okay, got our last screw. Now, last step, I'm going to put the bezel back on. Make sure all the cables are out of the way. And, oops, I forgot, there's a little plastic cover here. Peel that off. That just helps protect the screen during installation. Okay. Now we're just going to snap it on, same way we took it off. And just go around, make sure all the snaps get in place. Don't press too hard, but hard enough to get them all in. So we're going to look at the top and sides here. Oh, looks like we got it. Turn on, do a quick test. Yep, we're good.